Toyota just went full electric with its most iconic family hauler, and honestly, it's about time. The 2027 Highlander ditches every hybrid powertrain, every gas engine, and goes straight to batteries. This is Toyota's first three-row EV for America, and their first electric vehicle actually built on American soil. Big statements, but does this electric Highlander deliver, or is it just another SUV trying too hard to be trendy? Let's talk design first. Toyota's calling this their best experience vehicle, which sounds like marketing speak until you see it. Lower roofline, wider stance, and a wheelbase that's stretched over 8 inches compared to the outgoing model. The proportions are genuinely aggressive. Full-length LED daytime runners, flush door handles, and that signature hammerhead front end. It looks modern, sleek, and nothing like the minivan SUV hybrids we've been stuck with. Inside, it's a tech explosion. A massive 14-inch touchscreen sits front and center, flanked by a 12.3-inch digital cluster. There's 64-color ambient lighting, because apparently 7 colors wasn't enough, and every row gets USB-C charging. The panoramic glass roof is the largest in Toyota's lineup, which is great until you realize there's no shade option mentioned. Hello, summer oven. Seating for 7 comes standard with captain's chairs in the second row, though you can opt for a bench seat if you really need that extra spot. Third row access is electronic, which is convenient until the system inevitably breaks 5 years in. And with over 45 cubic feet of cargo when the third row is folded, it's genuinely practical. Now let's get to the controversial bit, range and power. The base XLE front-wheel drive gets a 77 kilowatt-hour battery with an estimated 287 miles of range and 221 horsepower. That's fine. Not exciting, just fine. Step up to all-wheel drive with the larger 95.8 kilowatt-hour battery, and you're looking at 320 miles of range and 338 horsepower with 323 pound-feet of torque. That's more like it. But here's the thing. 320 miles is decent, not great. Competitors are pushing 350, even 400. Toyota's playing it safe again. Charging? NACS port, which means Tesla supercharger compatibility. 10 to 80% in around 30 minutes under ideal conditions. Key phrase, ideal conditions. Real-world charging is always slower, especially in winter. And then there's the vehicle-to-load capability. You can power appliances at a tailgating party or run your house during an outage. Sounds amazing, right? Except Toyota's light on details about how much power you can actually draw for how long and what accessories you'll need to buy separately. Classic automaker move. Promise the world, make you pay extra for the details. Safety tech is solid. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 is standard with all the usual assists: pre-collision, adaptive cruise, lane keeping, automatic high beams. The Limited trim adds traffic jam assist and lane change assist, though both require an active subscription, because of course they do. Nothing's truly standard anymore. Pricing? Toyota's keeping that close to the chest until closer to launch. But here's the reality. This thing won't be cheap. The current hybrid Highlander starts around 40 grand. Add batteries, add tech, add premium positioning, and you're easily looking at mid-50s to start, probably pushing 70 for a loaded Limited. At that price, you're competing with Rivian R1S, Kia EV9, and even lower trim luxury 3 rows. So what's the verdict? The 2027 Highlander is a solid, practical, very Toyota take on the electric family SUV. It's not the most exciting, not the longest range, and probably not the best value. But it's a Toyota. It'll be reliable, it'll hold resale value, and it'll do exactly what it promises without drama. For a lot of families, that's exactly what they want. Is it revolutionary? No. Is it a smart evolution? Absolutely. What do you think? Would you go electric with the Highlander or stick with the hybrid? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and let's see if Toyota can actually make EVs as boring reliable as their Camrys.